This is your robot. This is your pet. This is your Petbot. Loona? Loona! Nah, this is your Petbot. This is Loona. She's gonna be your new best friend. When Loona wakes up, she stretches and sneezes. You know, like a pet. Then she hears the door opening. It's you! Loona is excited and comes running to greet you. Pat her on the head. She loves that. As you walk around, Loona tags along. And no matter where she's at, just... and she'll come running. Loona is an incredible pet who just happens to be a robot.
Loona.
She's very well trained and listens to both vocal and gesture commands.
Loona. Loona.
And whatever she feels, she'll let you know with her eyes, ears, and legs. Wanna play? Loona loves to play. She's incredible at trivia. And she loves to fetch a ball. Where's the ball? Where's the ball, Loona? Go grab it. She's also a master laser light chaser. I'm gonna catch you, laser light. And so much more. Worried about your home when you're away? Want your pet to have a friend when you're not home? Or just want some communication from afar? Your new best friend got your back.
Daddy, where are you coming home?
I'll be home at 6.
Loona always wants to learn new tricks. With a simple drag and drop based on Google Blockly, you can teach Loona to do anything you can imagine. So, this is Loona. She's friendly, super cute, and super playful. Everything you can ask for in a best friend. Or better yet, a new family member. Ah, the day is done. Loona is ready to go to sleep next to you. Tomorrow, she'll wake up with you.
Meet Eilik, a little desktop companion bot with endless fun. Eilik comes with 3 touching areas. Try petting his head, belly, and his back. Don't touch his back when he's upset, or Eilik will hit you with his sword, gun, or taser. Of course, you can fight back. Eilik is not always so strong. He is afraid of heights, so remember to comfort him when he's upset. You don't need to keep an eye on him. He will play around when he gets bored, but sometimes he will get in trouble. Eilik is growing. You can connect him to your Mac or PC to unlock more content. Eilik wants to be helpful. He can set a countdown timer to help you track with your work. And he loves to play games with you. You can snap 2 Eiliks together to start the magic moment.
Hola. Okay. Cheers. Okay. Oh no.
Not enough? How about this?
You have a busy family, and sometimes you probably wish you had a companion to help keep you organized, entertain your kids, and help them learn, help you watch over your home, and more. Now that companion is here, and its name is Misa.
How are you feeling today?
Misa is a cute, friendly robot who loves to be helpful.
Hello, Misa. Set reminder for 7 p.m. meeting.
Misa can be your personal assistant and a playmate and learning partner for your kids.
Hey Misa, let's dance.
Misa can see, hear, talk, and navigate its way around your home. It helps you patrol your house and video call when you're gone.
That's a nice castle.
And can even be your photographer. It can also give you the latest news and weather and look up information for you online.
What's the weather in San Francisco like today?
The weather is 50 degrees and mostly cloudy in San Francisco.
Plus, Misa is a great companion for kids. It speaks in a cute voice and is a fun and engaging friend. And can even have karaoke sing-alongs. Oh, and it loves being patted on the head. There's so much Misa can do for your family.
Hey, EMO. EMO. Turn the light on.
Introducing JIBO, the world's first family robot. Say hi, JIBO.
Hi, JIBO.
JIBO helps everyone out throughout their day. He's the world's best cameraman. By intelligently tracking the action around him, he can independently take video and photos, so that you can put down your camera and be a part of the scene.
JIBO, take the picture.
He's a hands-free helper. You can talk to him, and he'll talk to you back, so you don't have to skip a beat.
Excuse me, Anne?
Yes, JIBO.
Melissa just sent a reminder that she's picking you up in half an hour to go grocery shopping.
Thanks, JIBO.
He's an entertainer and educator. Through interactive applications, JIBO can teach.
Let me in, or else I'll... And I'll blow your house in.
Hey, where'd you go? There you are.
He's the closest thing to a real-life teleportation device. He can turn and look at whoever you want with a simple tap of your finger.
Check out my turkey dinner, Mom.
I wish you wouldn't eat that.
Hey, they make turkey pizza? I want turkey pizza.
And he's a platform, so his skills keep expanding. He'll be able to connect to your home.
Welcome home, Eric.
Hey, buddy. Can you order some takeout for me?
Sure thing. Chinese, as usual?
You know me so well.
And even be a great wingman.
You have a voice message from Ashley. Want to hear it?
Absolutely.
Hey, call me when you're home.
Better make that takeout for two, JIBO.
We've dreamt of it for years, and now he's finally here. And he's not just an aluminum shell, nor is he just a 3-axis motor system. He's not even just a connected device. He's one of the family.
Good night, JIBO.